I am going to discuss two important topics on C, loop and array. Use of looping and array concept in C programming. Loop and array is very important topic in the C language. C programming loops and array. Loops causes program to execute the certain block of code repeatedly until some conditions are satisfied. That is, loops are used in performing repetitive work in programming. Array helps to define a bunch of value of similar data type. Three types of loop in C. First, for loop. Second, while loop. Third, do while loop. Three types of array in C. One-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array. We are discussing about loops of for loop. We are going to discuss the syntax of for loop. In the syntax of for loop, first we make an initial expression as like this, and then a text expression and update expression, that is up to which the loop is confined. In between that, the codes which are to be executed is written. Now we take an example of loops in which array is used, that is matrix multiplication. Program for matrix multiplication using two-dimensional array in C language, which also uses loop situations. C program. We take two matrices, here let 3 by 3, and started an tried algorithm for matrix multiplication. Step 1, start. Step 2, taking two matrix two-dimensional array with fixed rows and columns. Define variables, then take order of matrix. Step 3, checking as to multiply two matrices. Sufficient or necessary condition is number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. As like rows N and column M, our rows P and column Q is the matrix. If M is equal to P or Q is equal to M, then only matrix multiplication is possible. The resultant order of matrix that we can get is, if M is equal to P, then N M P Q M cross and P also cross, resultant matrix will be get is of N by Q order. Similarly, if Q is equal to N, Qn get vanished, and the resultant matrix we get is P by M. Step 4 is to multiply the matrix. Firstly, we make all the row and column is equal to 0 in order to sure that whether we are not getting any junk value that may be added. As we know that the matrix is multiplied either rows by column or column by row. Here we are considering row by column in it. Firstly, first row is multiplied by all column, and then second row, and in first case first box of first row is multiplied by the first box of first column as above, and added as like here 1 2 3 in matrix 1 1 2 3 in one row, and in one column matrix 2 1 2 3. 1 cross 1 plus 2 cross 2 plus 3 cross 3 will be stored in first cell of the resultant matrix. Similarly, all cell is fulfilled. Next, we talk about how to write the syntax for multiplication in C. For multiplying in such a way, we should write Rij is equal to summation of first matrix plus second matrix. For C, it should be as follows. In C program, it should be for I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to n. Here it is less than equal to n because up to n it will the continue will continue, and again in the same loop one another loop is continued from j is equal to 0 to j is equal to m, where up to m again the loop is continued. Similar in the case for third loop we define for k is equal to 0, k is less than m, where similar is the case again continued up to m. Then after that the matrix get multiplied, and then we get print then we get the multiplied matrix. In step 5 we print the matrix below, and last step stop means end of. Now we see the program for the shape.